What's that?
Did I overdo that?
Too much on the dig side. Yay! Oh.
There you go. Pull hard.
No, not in the mouth.
Good, that's the way.
No.
There.
You got the right.
I want to finish.
Oh, you got one.
It's another toothbrush. She thought it was.
It's a toothbrush. No, that's not a toothbrush.
Whoa, you know what those are? A fancy shirt. There's two there. See a purple one too.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Purple.
I'm gonna try this
Did
on.
you say thank you for the purple shirt?
It's a dress.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I wonder if that's gonna even fit her.
And a skirt.
Yeah, with a pair of tights on, it's all good.
Madeline, you
Whoop.
know what you should do? Go give Grandpa Tim a hug.
Let's see if
Say
this.
thank you.
Let me see
That's
if
a
this fits.
good idea.
Ah! Perfect. And look at that. Left the price tag. There we
That's
go.
all right, just in
Well,
case.
just in case you're gonna take it.
Go give him a hug. Hey.
Oh, that's okay. We'll get around to it.
Madeline.
Oh yeah, Simon's. He threw it on the floor.
Madeline. Go give
Oh,
Grandpa Tim a hug. Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Are you gonna go to the party?
I'm going to play with you.
What? You are? Oh my gosh, you look lovely.
Oh.
That one's for Madeline.
Simon's is under your feet there, Mr. Spencer.
What was it? Oh, Simon. Come here. Yay! Oh.
Pull! You see how the legs go all funny? They're supposed to do that. Pull it, it's like a frog jumping. Go. Forward. Cute. Another
Oh,
what?
I don't have any more presents for you.
This one?
Did you try these on?
Was this for her?
Yes, actually that is for her. Can you think of it?
Thanks, Mom.
That's not from me, that's from Grandpa Tim.
That's the last one.
Yeah, look at all the paper, buddy. Paper.
I don't know.
Thank you.
I don't know.
Okay.